Hello everyone, today we are doing a discussion on is digital technology making children better? So, we are starting from a example and from introduction. So, let us start from Mohit.
According to my opinion, digital technology used in our daily life because you use the mobile phones. It also made by the digital technology, and digital technology help in your study purpose, education purpose. If you have any doubt, it clear also your doubt because by the AI apps like Google and ChatGPT, Bingo, Bingo, ChatGPT, and many. Yes, Big app and many others app that that clear all your doubt easily. And if you now time that every person want to a professional personal, he have he have a many luxuries things. So by the marketplace in the devices that you order many other things and purchase new things by the offers and buy the get buy one get one free these offers like. Thank you.
So, in my opinion, the digital technology help us and make child better life. Like if you are making a project and you want to print and your teacher said that make animals list that are carnivore, and he said and you are printing, you are making animal. So what would you do? You would use printer, so you would use printer and print some animal photos, so after that you can paste on your project, so that is easy for you. And like a clock, like everybody use clock, and also for child, clock is a second god for us. And because of clock we can easily measure time, what we have to do on that time. Like on the 7 p.m. this class, we have to measure the time at 6:50, we have to leave from the school and come in the class. So because of clock we can measure time and come in the class, and another places we can go easily. And also like satellite, in the future there is a asteroid coming and we don't know, we are running and we don't know what is coming. But because of the satellite we can think. And also the some children that who knows who become a second APJ Abdul Kalam and make a new missile that help us to destroy the asteroid bigger. And because of satellite we can know is the asteroid coming, reach at moon and Mars, and also some animals that can live there with some Mars and special things. Thank you.
Online classes is in coming in the digital technology. You know that when the teacher is writing in the class, so it is time consuming. The children are also boring, and there is a time consuming and the period is over. But in the online class you can use more time, and the teacher can present the screen so you can write, and there is not much boring day. And if the time is over, so teacher can send you in the WhatsApp. And in the future there is the exam is going on in the school in the with the typing, so that is also main, it is come in the digital technology, so you have to learn. and and if there is a project, how you know, your parents can tell you many information, but they have not much information in that field more. Everyone have some information, but if they don't have, so what you will do? So you need to search in the your phone or laptop, so it is also come in digital technology. And if you have to pay the fee, so in the old time the peoples are going to the school and pay the fee, but now you have to not go to the your school in the winter or in any season, so you have to your parents have to not go to the school, so you can pay by the online. Thank you.
As we are discussing about the introduction, and in the introduction about the digital life, it is changing all the time, and it will change the future. And now the modern era, it will changing, and about the Elon Musk, from the Airtel to Jio Reliance, from the Ambani to Adani, all are adapting the technology in India also, and from the worldwide also. We go to know from every sector, in it is an educational sector or healthcare sector or any sector, there is technology is used. Technology is being used everywhere, and as a children it is very popular and very online learning. WhatsApp, uh, calling, and Zoom, and MS Team app, and all are very helpful for all the students and can change the world and thoughts of the students.
So in this round, everyone have to give one example of digital technology that is better for the child.
According to me, that now you are using the many apps, online apps, that you deliver anything by the mobile phone. It also the part of the digital technology. And if in this planet no any technology, so how we developed our country, how we are developed our country, and scientists also adapt this thing and make new things for the benefit of the our country. And and the digital technology means the knowledge, because in the digital technology, that have many person and people's work in the digital technology, because they want to develop the digital technology. So it's a benefit for the future and now also. Thank you.
So, in my according, I have to give an example of a robot. Like in nowadays, like around us, there is pollution, but in the future, around us, there are many robots that is surrounding around us, and we because of the robot in nowadays in other countries are on the peak of their technology. They are working on the robots and robotic technology so they can easily work and don't do many work, and like in the like Radha said that the bank thing, and like you want to payment someone, and you want to pay some money for fees, but many other thing the people use online thing. But in the robot you can, like you in your house there is a robot which you scan and go the money transfer to the owner, so that is easy for us. Digital technology is our future. Thank you.
So, if you have to take a ticket of train, so you have to go in the line in the old times, but now you have to only book the ticket. If you go in the old times, so you have to in the long queue, so it will time consuming, and sometimes the train is late and your ticket is cancelled. This is also happens sometimes. And if your parents are doing completing some forms, so you have to also see, because it may be help in your future, so it will good for your. And you can also say to your child and give and show your that form, like the pan card. This is important. Maybe it can be in the future, so this is important. Thank you.
As for the student, it can make also better. It can make up to the student IQ level and build up them like a teacher knowledge. And as you know, because for example, why the student give exam? Because they have to remind the all the knowledge what they have learned, because they can't learn the things properly. So digital tech, all the can things can be solved, because the problem by the visualizations, you have heard about the word, and from the in school the setuping of the projectors and all, this can be very helpful as it is going on. And but if all schools will adopt it, it will be more beneficial. And about if we talk about from the many persons, the you have heard about if Acer, and like there are the more councils, or like there are the quizzes and lots of there, and we can't go or like the Acer is a Australian counseling website where you give exams. but you can't go to Australia. This can be a beneficial point for the students. They can use in a way they can give the exam online by digital tech. They can choose or perform well in the exam, or they can do anything. Thank you.
Okay, you want to add?
And in it digital technology that greater than the teachers, because in the digital technology they give you more examples than the teacher, and they clear all concept that covered by the syllabus and CPSC board and SSC papers and UPSC paper children that also study with the digital technology only, because digital technology have a more knowledge than the teachers, and they they have a more sample papers and worksheets, so they do it, and they give the exam easily and with tension free. And
What is the favorite yours which has changed your life? One tag or two tags which you are using for your life and it is making your life better.
Point add करना है.
पॉइंट ऐड करने का जो क्वेश्चन है ना वो यही वाला है कि what are the gadgets that you are using and it is helping your life to be better.
So I have to add one more point, like in the mobile phone in nowadays, like a word come and any kind of word come and you don't know about it. On in the past we have to buy a dictionary, check in the dictionary, and in the find the word in the dictionary is a very complicated for a new person and the beginner of check who is learning from the dictionary. But in the mobile phone you have to open Google and type that word, and easily you can check its meaning and who made this. Thank you.
So now everyone have to tell about what are the gadgets, that means the devices that you use in your life for your a better life in your childhood,
Hmm. Since your childhood,
since your childhood
since
till today.
my favorite gadget name is mobile phone, because in this have in the mobile phone device that many AI apps. So I read the many points for the debate, for the presentation points. So it give me a more words than the than the dictionary and many other books.
So my favorite is computer because in the computer you have a big screen, and also in the computer the battery life is much bigger than the and you much bigger than the mobile phone, and you can also see the things in the double wider than the phone screen. And in the computer I always check things that I in the computer I check some news, like in the now in today the Japan is very bad. Thank you.
So I have to say that if you use laptop or mobile, so if you search a thing, so it will show same answer. So my favorite gadget, you can say mobile, because I have mobile, so that I choose mobile. It have many benefits, but also disadvantage, because I'm choosing, because in the laptop we have to touch a button, so
gadget है तो ठीक है लॉट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी में घड़ी भी आ सकती है बता
so we have to
वॉशिंग मशीन भी आ सकती है लॉट ऑफ अदर
so we have to know how to do that thing on the laptop. We have to type, so this is I think more hard in computer also, so the mobile is better.
Yes, all the gadgets are better for their work. According to their work, Wi-Fi, mobile, computer, and tablet, all the gadgets are
पावर बैंक्स
well. They perform well according to their capability. And
माइक
from the as we are speaking on the mic, and it is also good. All the gadgets are good, but you have to see the information as according to your as I think on the mobile there are a lot of application like the YouTube which can transform your life. If the web from yes from chat gpt came, it transformed all the life, but you have to know how to use it, then you can properly know what its benefits are. Thank you.
So now the disadvantage. So disadvantage.
नहीं, only advantage.
Okay. So now advantage of other gadgets. You all have tell about the gadget.
What is your favorite gadget?
The,
Comment below.
what is your favorite gadget? Comment in the comment box.
Or
So
conclusion.
conclude.
Ending remarks.
Ending marks you have to all give
Ending remarks.
remarks.
For the my conclusion that now we are using the mobile phone, and in the past time that we travel for very far by the own legs, because they have no any development now. The countries and the scientists developed our country by the digital technology. So now you are video calling or audio calling, so it's a very good thing. And if you are also using the, yes, and if you are also using the digital technology, so it give you only the good result.
So, in my conclusion, I have to say that the digital technology is our future, and in the digital technology there are many things. But one of my favorite is computer, and there are many things like website. In my childhood, my father and mother buy things from the website, and also the website includes in the digital technology. So I have to say in the end, the digital technology is our future.
So I have to say in my ending remarks that that you use the computer, mobile. So these are the main in your life because you are studying from that devices, and in the childhood you have to study, not do anything, some more things. But a poor child doing labor. So this is a different topic. But if we say like this, so the main is devices that computer, phone like these, and digital technology will help in your future. Like I had say that about the typing. This is also in more exams now.
Digital technology will change the world and the future, as there were the teacher on your computer, there are robotics teacher, and all the things are free. I think in the future about technology, it will be cost not cost too much in the future, as it will be free and available for, and it will change the life of student. And now it is changing also, but we have to adapt the situation, and we have to avoid the destruction if we go in mobile or any gadgets. Thank you.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channels.